Are you looking for affordable proxies? Well, this video is for you. Today, we are going to review a proxy site called IPcook. They offer premium residential proxies, which are very fast, and they go as low as $0.5 per GB, and they have various pricing plans, as you can see here, and they support so many countries. So the basic plan goes for $0.2 per GB, and as you move further in buying the packages, the number of traffic per GB decreases as the total package increases. So for those doing bulk buying of proxies, you get a discount of $0.5 per GB. Now, if you don't have an account, click the link under the video description or click start free here, and you'll be prompted to put your email and password, then confirm your email and you're good to go. Once you log into account, you'll be brought to this page here. This is the dashboard. Under the dashboard, you can see the traffic remaining on your account, the balance. You can click top up here and you can be able to top up using cryptocurrency, and your balance is going to reflect here. Then the dashboard is very easy. It's a very new proxy site which has a very good user interface. So the next option is to buy proxies if you have not already bought. Under buying proxies, you just click buy now. If you click buy now, they are going to show you the amount you're going to pay, yeah, and then you can either pay using cryptocurrency directly here, or if you have some balance, just select your balance, click pay, and you'll be good to go. So once you buy, the traffic now come up to setting up your proxy. So setting up your proxy, come here on this page. You can see now setting up a proxy. Select your country. You can select your state. Let's select California. Then you can select the city, then the protocol. So IPcook, for now, they're supporting geotargeting for country, city and state, state and city, and also the protocol to select. They support HTTP and HTTP/5 protocol. Then you can be able to randomize your IP, or you can have a sticky session. And a sticky session, the IP can go up to 24 hours before it rotates, or more, depending with your need. So for stick session, I like having the highest possible time, so I'm putting it 24 hours. And then going down here, you can see your IP and port. Then always good to have a sub account here. The sub account is where you generate your username and password, in case you want to use username and password. Also, under managing proxies, if you click whitelist here, you're going to do it later, you can be able to set up your IP, your local IP network, whereby it will be using to access your proxy on. So for now, I've already set up my sub account. I'm going to show you later. Then once you set up everything there, as I've done, go down. You can generate as many proxies as you need. I just need one, so I'll just select one. You can select the format you need. I like this using this format. Then click generate. Once you click generate, you get the IP details there. Then I want us now to check the status of this IP when connected to an Antidetect browser. And for this one, you're going to use this Antidetect browser. Most of you know how to use the Antidetect browser, so I'm just going to speed up through this section. So let's say IPcook testing. And if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel up to now, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. So once you confirm everything is okay, just click create and then click start. Very easy. So this is our Antidetect browser profile. You can see this profile here, this one here. So let me open it here. So let me check here on as usual word.net. Let's check our anonymity, whether it's 100%. From word.net, you can see that our anonymity is 100%. Then the ISP that they have given us is Starlink. Starlink is very nice in some areas, and this IP can bypass so many things. Remember, I keep on telling people, try to explore other major ISPs providers. We are used to T-Mobile, Verizon, and Spectrum, and sometimes you create an account where those IPs have been used before, and you get disqualified in every single survey because someone has misused that particular IP on that particular site. But such fresh ISPs can do miracles to you. They can really help you make more money by qualifying to new surveys since they are fresh on those particular surveys. One thing I've realized about IPcook, remember on my selection here, I selected California, but it seems when they are trying to look for an IP for you, if this one doesn't have a good IP at the moment, they give you the next best possible location, which has a very fast working IP. Remember on the description, they say that they provide fast proxies. So if you select a location and that location doesn't have fast proxies, they're going to give you an alternative which is fast and convenient for you, and which has 100% anonymity. So that was the review I had for you guys today. So if you are looking for an affordable proxy site, consider checking out IPcook. They are very, very affordable, and their traffic does not expire. If you buy 1 GB and it stays for more than 1 month without having exhausted the traffic, it will go nowhere until you exhaust that particular traffic. That's when you'll be prompted to buy more traffic. So their traffic has no expiry. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and the comment under the video comment section, and I'll be very, very much grateful. So thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video.